In this video, I will show you how to type in Google Docs. So if you're using your phone or if you're using your laptop or PC, you can easily use Google Docs, right? And you can just type here. So I will just go to Google Docs. If you don't know what it is, you have to just go to Play Store and make sure you have to install Google Docs and open it up. Now here you will find each and every document. Now you want to type, right? So just click on plus icon and here you will create your document. Same way the steps you can follow in your laptop or PC. Now here to type it, automatically you will see the keyboard. You can type here whatever you want, right? So this is really easy to type in Google Docs. If you're using a laptop or PC, make sure your keyboard is connected, and when you type here on your keyboard, basically everything will be shown here. Now if you want to type on any document, click on the document, right, and here you can just type it, right? So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.